My name is Elizabeth Frayne. I have training as a raw vegan chef and my interests lie in nutrition. I am here today on behalf of eHow Videos to answer your questions about raw vegan recipes. So let's get started. We are making a raw zucchini dip. So we're going to start off by using a yogurt base. Now this yogurt has many nutrients not found in the raw vegan world, in the vegan world. But this is a vegetarian dip. So it's delicious. It's a little sour, so we're going to add brown sugar to sweeten it up, but it has plenty of enzymes, calcium, many nutrients. For a nice counterbalance and to make this not too much of a yogurty dip, we're going to use an avocado, which has healthy fats, very nutritious, and it has a nice creamy texture. Then we're going to put seasoning. We're going to season it with basil. Sage and thyme go together, so we're going to use those together, and then we're going to use a jalapeno for a little bit of a kick. So here is our zucchini. We're going to keep the pieces nice and big so you can bite into it, and it gives your hand something to hold, and you are able to scoop a nice amount of veggie dip. And this is a garnish, just to serve it and make it look professional for all your guests. Here it is. Now we're going to combine our ingredients in a food processor. So first the yogurt. I use this sheep yogurt. Some people have trouble digesting cow's yogurt. So sheep yogurt is always more digestible and it doesn't have the strong flavor of the goat. Then we're going to put the sugar, the brown sugar. Next, we're going to put the avocado, followed by our herbs. Nice, numerous herbs. It's always so nice to cook with fresh ingredients. It's fast, it's easy, increases the nutritional value of all your foods if you just make them at home. Okay, dash of salt. Okay, so now we've combined our ingredients in the food processor. We're going to put our avocado pit back inside. Don't forget, that is the secret to keeping the avocado looking fresh for hours. And then you can see we have a very creamy consistency. You just want to blend it long enough or process it long enough to give you that creamy consistency. Sometimes you might have these big chunks. You don't want those. And this has so much flavor because of the sage and thyme and the basil, and then the kick from the jalapeno pepper. This is one of my favorite recipes. And I promise you, I don't know how it occurred to me. It just came to me. Okay, and now we're ready to serve.